Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So many of the users they are reporting a problem like the screenshot message issue, like when they are chatting in Instagram vanish mode. So while chatting they are getting a notification like the person you are chatting they took screenshots. Okay, but in actually they are not taking, because I tried with two of my accounts, so I was not taking a screenshots, even it was showing a bug like I took a screenshots. Okay, so this is a bug. If you are facing this problem, report a problem, nothing is there to worry. Yeah, that person can take a screenshots, but there is also a bug, so be careful. Like that person can say it's a bug, but that can happen, so you have to be careful. But yeah, I just wanted to inform you all, like this is also a bug for many of the Instagram users, especially in a vanish mode. So I hope you will find this video useful.